What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we're giving the Honda Fit a facelift. Let's get into it. This is my 2009 Honda Fit and this is the base model edition. And what we're gonna do is we are going to give it a sport bumper with clear headlights. Why I want to do the clear headlights, it's because I want it to match my rear clear taillights. Let's get into this. It shouldn't be super hard, but I'm excited to get it done. Look at him walking. Dun, 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 dun.
What's up, dude?
Mr. Alex.
What's up?
It's our new lens. It's a wider lens.
Is it?
Yep. Looks like you're a lot closer, but you know, you're actually pretty far now, so it's pretty cool. But we're figuring out this new lens also. I was just telling them what we're doing, and we're going to be taking headlights and all this out. Why are you rolling up your sleeves? You think you're cool or some shit? Let's get a good look at what this bumper looks like, just so we can compare it afterwards to the sport bumper. I was actually starting to like this bumper after a little while, but I think the sport bumper just looks so much better and a little more aggressive. And my plan with the fog light area is to make them brake ducts eventually. Mr. Alex is going to just jack up the car here because we're going to have to get underneath to get some of the clips also. This should be a pretty straightforward install and it shouldn't be that hard at all. I'm going to start tackling some of the upper clips up here. As you can see, probably have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have a 10 mil holding the headlight there, another 10 mil, and we'll probably have one or two underneath holding it. So let's tackle it. Now we're underneath and you're basically just going to follow the bumper and take off all these clips. It's all pretty easy. You may be like me and have some missing already. I believe there might be a Phillips screw here that we have to take off, and pretty much just feel your way around. If you feel a bit of tension, you take it off. This is my first time taking off this bumper, so I'm just, you know, figuring it out as we go also. But pretty easy stuff, right buddy?
Yeah.
We think we've taken all the clips out. I'm pretty good on this side. How about you there, Tweedledee? What are you breaking?
Doesn't sound good, but it came out.
What are you breaking?
Okay.
And there we go. Wow.
There we go.
And now, since the bumper's off, you can see the headlights are being held by one screw here and probably one right over there. Now that we got everything off, we're actually going to tackle the headlights. So we're gonna have a screw here and one over here. Alex,
Yo.
do you think it's gonna be a race car one day?
What, this lemon?
This lemon. Do you think this lemon will be a race car one day?
Maybe.
In time, right?
In its own race.
I didn't say who else racing. I'm just saying if it's gonna race. I didn't say it's gonna win, it's gonna lose. I just said it's gonna be in a race and it's gonna be a car.
By itself.
Maybe. Hopefully. So we got the 3 screws off and now pretty much it's being held in by the fender, so we're gonna try popping that out. Oh wait. One last screw. I lied. One last screw. We have the headlight out. Let's compare it to this one. As you can see, that is like a clear housing and this is a dark housing. I think the clear is going to look a lot better with the silver wheels and everything on the car. Let's put this on and we can compare side by side how they actually look. This is the clear one. There's not much of a difference aside from that is all clear with the amber on the side, and then this is pretty much all dark housing with the amber. I know some people may like this, but the whole silver and black and white theme, I think that's going to look better. What do you think, dark housing or clear?
Clear.
Just like pops more.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna do the other side. It's gonna be the exact same as this side. So basically what I did is I carried over Everything, all the lighting stuff, I just transferred from the old light to this light, so pretty easy stuff, guys. And we're gonna tackle this light, and then we'll update you guys once the bumper is ready. God damn, the car looks so much better with these clear headlights, especially this one, because this one is actually pretty clean. The other one does need a little bit of work, but it looks super nice. I think it pops out way better. Kind of goes with the wheel theme and everything. Let me know down below if you guys would rather the chrome like clears or the black housing. I actually might do something with the black housing and try some things out since I do have spare headlights now. But check that out, boys. Check this out. Holy shit, it looks so much better.
Shut up, man.
God damn, he's rough. But this looks so much better. I am so happy with how this looks. Sure. So now we're just putting the fog housing, but I'm gonna show you guys something. If you are a base model like myself, and I'm not even like paying attention to the word Alex says because he's just rude. So underneath your water splash shield does not fit. So what we're gonna do is actually tap a screw right into here to hold this. Leaking a little bit of oil there. But it is what it is.
Who cares?
Underneath is a little rusty, but hopefully, as we always say, Alex, it's trusty. And we pretty much removed all this. And you're probably asking why did you remove this? Should be there, just because we're gonna case swap it in the future. We're gonna have to remove it anyways. Not a big deal. But that is off. The bumper looks so much better. You know what? I thought I was liking that until I saw that. It is so much nicer. I am super hyped. It was worth all the headaches. I think we should tell Alex it's time to let go. Look. What'd you do, man?
That's me.
Did you get it?
That's me working on your car.
No,
pants for me, man.
No. There's no Street Legacy pants yet.
I wear your merch all the time.
Oh yeah?
Don't worry about that.
Oh,
Guess
yeah?
what? My sweater's in the car.
Sweater. The hat. Well, I haven't made new merch.
You should make pants for me, man. I keep putting holes on your driveway. Look. I even put holes in my shoes.
I gotta make shoes now too? Do I look like Nike?
Buddy, your fans want shoes and
Guys,
pants.
do we need new merch?
Soon underwear, man.
New Street Legacy merch. If you guys want to see new merch, comment down below, let me know, and maybe we can make something happen. Alright guys, there it is. Check it out. I think the car looks 10 times better. The sport bumper looks so much better with the new headlights. What do you guys think below? Unfortunately, I do have to rock a license plate, which I don't want to do. But as you see, we have the empty fog light areas, which are going to become brake ducts eventually. I got to figure that out. And then the hood's pretty beat, but I'm planning on getting a new hood and then refinishing the wiper blades here, just so that we can have a better looking front end. But so far so good. A little progress is better than no progress. So now at least those clear headlights, when you look at a side profile, kind of match. You see, it looks so much better. And then eventually we'll get some side skirts, especially, and fix some of the rocker rust there. But yeah, a little thing at a time. This has to get redone also. If you guys want to get some Street Legacy stuff, streetlegacy.ca, grab it and support your boy. The vision is coming together. I know for some of you guys who are sports, you know, Honda Fits, this is a norm to you, but to me as a base it's not. And the reason I like the base is it's lighter than the sport regardless. So slowly but surely we are getting there. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Big thank you to Alex. The fit is looking a lot better. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe, and later. Woo.